Am I the only one who didn't realize how crucial GMP is to our everyday products? Let's break it down. Good manufacturing practice, or GMP for short, is like the golden rulebook for manufacturers. It ensures that everything from your favorite snack to essential medicines is made under strict guidelines. Why is this important? Well, GMP protects public health by making sure products meet high-quality standards and are safe to use. Imagine buying a product that hasn't been checked properly. Scary thought, right? GMP covers everything from the cleanliness of the manufacturing area to how employees are trained. It even includes detailed procedures for testing and packaging. This means fewer mistakes, fewer recalls, and more trust from consumers. So next time you see the GMP label, you'll know it's your assurance of quality and safety. It's not just a set of rules, it's a promise that the product in your hand is trustworthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, quality begins with GMP.